To connect TikTok Pixel to your Wix website, start by creating a TikTok Pixel account. Go to the TikTok for Business website and sign up for an account. Once you have created your account, navigate to the Events Manager section and click on Pixel. This is where you will create your unique Pixel code. Next, go to your Wix website and navigate to the Settings section. Click on Tracking and Analytics. Then click on New Tool. Select Custom and paste the Pixel code you created earlier into the box. Make sure to add the code to all pages of your website. After adding the Pixel code, you need to set up events. Events are actions that people take on your website, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. To set up events, go back to the Events Manager section on TikTok and click on the event you want to track. Follow the instructions to set up the event, and make sure to test it to ensure it is working correctly. It is also important to note that you need to have a clear understanding of your website's structure and the actions you want to track. This will help you to set up the pixel and events correctly. Additionally, make sure to check TikTok's terms of service and ensure that you are complying with all requirements. By following these steps, you can successfully connect TikTok Pixel to your Wix website and start tracking the actions people take on your site. This will help you to optimize your TikTok ads and improve your marketing strategy. Remember to test your pixel and events regularly to ensure they are working correctly and make any necessary adjustments.